How to open a Facebook account, A to Z. In today's video, I will show you the process practically. I mean, anyone who wants to, but after watching this video, can create a Facebook account very easily. Let's start without further ado. First, go to the Play Store of your phone. Here, type Facebook in the search bar and install Facebook. After installing Facebook, open it. After opening, click Create a New Account here. After clicking, a new interface will appear in front of you. Just click here. Many people may come directly like this. Okay, so from here, give your first name and then give your last name. Okay, I give first name Jaban and last name Shorker. I click on the next option. Now it asks to give the date of birth from here, so I give the date of birth. Then there is the Set option below. Click here. Now I click on the next option, which is there. Now it says here that you are male or female, so this is opening a male account. So I select male, then I click on next. Then it asks for a phone number here, or you can also do it by giving an email address. Okay, so you give a phone number here. After setting the phone number, click on the next option. But this phone number should be active. Here a code will go. Then it asks to set a password from here. You will set a password from here. Here I will tell you how to give a strong password. Give some small letters, some capital letters, some numbers, and some stars, at dare off, and other symbols like that. Then it will be strong and will not be hacked easily. Give it a minimum 8-digit password. Okay, I give my password from here. I set the password, now I click on the next option. Then from here, I agree option, click here. Now from here, they are saying that they will send a code.
A code will be sent to the WhatsApp number that you gave some time ago. If WhatsApp is not open on that number, you can also get it through SMS. Okay, finally the code is coming. I have entered the code. Then I click on the Continue option. Then if you want to change the Facebook password, you can change it or you can script it. All ready, but we are coming to Facebook. I am ending the video here like today. I am meeting you in a new video. Allah Hafez.